Hello everyone. This is Benjamin Harkins. I am bringing this video as a demonstration for a group project, or a final group project that our group did for for our class, Design Studio IT 6203 for Southern Polytechnic State University. So what this video will be doing, we'll be demonstrating our website as well as demonstrating the steps that we took to accommodate, well, actually not to accommodate, to accomplish the outcomes that we got. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and screen share this so that everyone can see what I'm doing. All right. Sorry about that. A little confusing, I know. Don't need that. Okay, so what we're first going to do is we're going to open up the command prompt. So go to start, type CMD, or go here like what I have, and just click on it. I've already got mine up right here. What you do is you need to navigate to your XAMPP on your external drive. Hopefully you followed the instructor's rules. Maybe an X. So I've already got mine. So we need to go ahead and start MySQL. Okay, so we need to be in the root. Oops. Okay, and my password is different than the one that our instructor gave us, so I'm just going to go ahead and use mine. Okay, so now we need to go ahead and create the database so that our website can actually function. So I've actually went ahead and got all my commands here that I need to do, and so I can just copy and paste and make the video a lot shorter than just typing it and all of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy. Now my mouse has been acting, see, like right there, my mouse has been acting a little funny today, so I don't know what's going on. Probably a driver issue. Okay, come on. Okay, so what we're first doing right now is we're creating a user called Group 6 to access our database. And okay, and this command right here is what we're going to be using to create our database with. And we're going to be selecting the database. And these commands, these next 4 commands, are what we're going to be using to create the tables within the database so that our website can actually work. It's not wanting to work with me today. Okay. Oh, come on. And all of this will actually be in a report that I'll be submitting to the instructor as well. So, come on. Right. Okay, so you actually get to see what Not what I was wanting to do. I need to use database 6. Make sure you have the semicolon thing as well. I did it. Oh, wait. Okay. I don't know why I typed in database there. Okay, so we should have the first table already in. So now, just go ahead and put this one. Now you actually have to right click and paste, and here you cannot do Control V because this is what Control V does. So yeah, you have to actually right click and paste if you want to paste anything into command prompt as well. Okay. Okay, so basically now that the tables are created within the database, we're going to go ahead and grant the user, we can create up here, permissions to add, delete, and update and insert into those tables. See, out of habit. Okay, so now once we've done that, we need to go ahead and insert what we're going to be calling everything into each of the tables, the service name and descriptions. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go and insert some dummy data or test data, as the better term is known as, into our database so that I can pull it up in our website. Okay, so now that's done, I can actually just minimize this, minimize this. So now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and go to our Hornet Connect. I'm just going to take this out, and I'll put my name in there. Actually, that's not, yeah. And go ahead and sign in. We're going to go to client apps over here. We have to start this first. I've actually got it already running. I believe, yeah, I'll just go ahead and close it. Allow. Okay, and we're going to start that first, get our window pop up, and we probably may or may not get a Java window that pops up in the middle. Okay, we didn't that time. If you did, you want to hit the run, and we're going to go ahead and start the network connect, and here we go. Okay, this is our icon. We want to make sure that we're connected, and good. We are good. All right. So what I'm going to be doing now is now that the whole thing is set up, I'm going to be going and going to our website, which is actually right here. Okay, this is our home page. Okay, now you notice that we have to sign in and become a member, but until I do, I can only access the home and user registration. I cannot access any of the other pages except for searching, user registration, and home. That's the only 3 pages that I can actually see not being a registered user. So, and in order for you to register, you have to actually go here, and you have to use your CSE name. So I'm going to be using my CSE name, my CSE password. Make sure you type it all correct. Oh, oops. And we want to, I'm going to pick this one. I want to pick actually all of them just so we can actually show you what it is. Okay, and I want to put my email. There we go. I'm going to say send notification, and I'm going to say submit. Bam. Okay, so I am now registered. So now I'm going to go home. See what else happened? Since I'm now a registered user, I get to see who the team leader is, which is me. Actually, not me. That's actually my brother. This is me right here. And I'm going to go ahead and log in. Log in. Okay. Now I'm going to go to task is assigned. And right now there's nothing assigned to me. So I'm going to go to search. And I'm going to say that. Let's go to web design. Okay. So as of right now, this is me. This is my email, and this is my availability. It's showing you the actually from the table that we just created. in MySQL. Let's try a different one. Let's try, sorry about my mouse, y'all. iPhone, same, because again, I selected all of them. So, and the demo data that I put in before, this is one right here. So it's actually pulling in all of that as well. Anything else? Let's try these. Okay, so I'm going to be showing up in all of them because I registered for all of them. And then you have a few where you actually get to see this user right here. Now this user, because they're not a CSE student or whatnot, it's the test, you cannot log in with that user's data at all. I'll actually go ahead and show you. I'll log out, try to log in, and I'll try J Moore. I will always get that because technically that user does not exist because we are referencing the CSE database, user database through the Network Connect. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as this. Okay. Save. Okay. Now, for tasks, let's just call it let me use a program. I cannot spell today, y'all. Program tutor. And I will say, let's use the arrow keys. Just say, we'll actually go, there we go, 1. It doesn't really matter the year, the date, whatnot. We'll just say, with this, okay. Okay, so we're going to assign it to J Moore, and we're going to say submit. Oops. How about that? Okay, for some reason my validation is not working. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to